How to fix forgot password on your line applications. Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you if you have forgotten your line password, then how you can easily sign in or reset using your email. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded the line application from the Play Store. And once you're inside the application and when you're trying to log in, let's say you forgot your login credentials like your password, and once you forget it, what I want you to do is, if you are seeing the screenshots at this one, like this right over here, let me just show you. Just make sure you have your email that you used to register in this account, or which you added in this account. So let me just show you. What I want you to do is simply click on your line application and simply click on choose to log in with another option, and simply click on continue with Google. And once you are here, simply click on continue with Google and choose the Google account which you used it for the last time in this account, in this application, and it will let you in with the easy login button. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.